Are you looking for the best car seat massagers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car seat massagers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Portable Back Massage Cushion by Homedics. This lightweight and compact car seat massager is quite travel-friendly. The massage pad also comes with subtle heat settings. Moreover, the heat offered by this cushion reduces the tensions on the muscles of the back, neck, shoulders, and more. The vibration massage relieves the pain and stiffness of the muscles on your waist. You can also have additional support to your lumbar while sitting on a driving seat for long. Furthermore, the travel cushion easily reduces the soreness of muscles. This cushion comes with 2 massage settings. With the help of a safe strapping system, the massager pad does not move while sitting on car seats. At number 4, Vibration Massage Cushion by Make Lemonade. This car seat massager comes along with 5 pieces of vibration motors with multiple intensity levels. This chair pad also comes with a user-friendly controller. Therefore, you can precisely adjust the speed, intensity of the motors, and time to get excellent relief. The purchase will bring you a vibrating massage cushion, a 120-in power adapter, and a vehicle car adapter. The targeted massager offered by this cushion also delivers customizable relief to your neck, shoulder, and back. Furthermore, the integrated straps prevent the massager pad from sliding on your car seat. The gentle heat therapy improves the circulation of blood in your vessels. At number 3, Seg 3-in-1 Car Smart Seat Cushion. 3-in-1 car seat grows with your child from rear-facing harness, 5 to 40 pounds, to forward-facing harness, 22 to 65 pounds, to high-back booster, 40 to 100 pounds. Slim design with dual integrated cup holders that rotate away, making the seat 10% slimmer to save valuable back seat space. Graco Protect Plus Engineered. A combination of the most rigorous crash tests that helps to protect your little one in frontal, side, rear and rollover crashes. No rethread Simply Safe Adjust harness system allows the headrest and harness to adjust together in one motion. At number 2, Excel Life Massaging Cool Cushion. Pay attention. Pictures is only for better show the occasions of car cushion, not 2 PCS seat cover. This price is for single, 1 PC's front seat. If you want to buy 2 PC's front seat, please order 2 quality. For long driving, car seat covers contains a large amount of massage wooden particles. Effectively massage your hip and waist points to increase your comfort when you are driving. Summer cooling. The back is inlaid with high-quality cool wooden beads, breathable and dry, with good divergence function, no odor, giving your back a good massage. Decor and protection. The best auto seat covers for your love car. Decorating your car front seat. At the same time, it also perfect keep the car original seat from tear, dirt, stain, or color fades. At number 1, Relaxzen 10 Motor Massage Seat. Dual Kneading Shiatsu Massage. This vibrating pad features a dual kneading system that mimics a deep kneading shiatsu massage. The shiatsu mechanism travels up and down the length of your back, giving you that deep tissue pressure you need to get rid of your sore tension knots. It will make you think you've left your house to get a professional massage from a masseuse. Integrated straps to fit most chairs. Strap this massage cushion to almost any of the chairs in your home, bedroom, office or cubicle. It was designed with an integrated strapping system that will fit snugly onto almost any chair. It is portable, allowing you to bring it to work, or when you travel, ensuring a comfortable vibrating massage anywhere you go. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.